What's up, guys? It's been a while. Welcome back. As you guys saw, finally got my tires mounted on the wheels for the MR2, and we just put them on. Let's do a little walk around and kind of show you guys what we have to work with. And then in this video also, we're going to be putting a lot of the body kit on, like the wide body and the skirts and stuff like that. And we'll take it in the road when it's all done, and I'll give you a nice visual walk around. So let's get this done. So first and foremost, excuse the messy garage, that'll get cleaned. But there you guys go, man. Finally mounted. XXR 557s, 1810 all around. Yes, it looks really funny right now, obviously, but that's because we're doing a wide body. I went, let's see, tire size on the front. I did 235/35 on the front. These tires could be temporary, could not be, I'm not sure. It all depends on how it's going to fit, how it's going to ride and all that. And then on the backs, I put a little more meat back here. Let me try to find the number. Where are you at? I went 245/40, 18 on the rear. You guys a view this way. So yeah, definitely gonna look nice when it's wide-bodied. And another update for those that don't follow me on Instagram, which you should. I'll put the my link right here on the page. But anyways, I got the overheating issue solved. All it was low on coolant. I mean, I'm sure there's probably a leak somewhere because obviously cars don't just go low on coolant for no reason. But it's not going in the oil. It's not overheating anymore. I flushed the system for like a good half hour, and then I drove it around the neighborhood for another 10-15 minutes, and all is well. But yeah, there's the wheels. So yeah, they poke out quite a bit. Here's my hand. Same with the fronts. Well, let's get some of this, some of the kit on, and see what she looks like. Check it out, guys. I don't know about you guys, but I think that looks really good. I know it's not the whole kit, but it's most of it. Well, still got the front lip. Got to do the front lip. I have the spats that go back here, and that spoiler. What do you guys think? I like it. Perfect fit, man. In my opinion. Little poke, little meat. Now imagine this all painted in red. Front looks weak. But don't forget, I got coilovers for this, so it's gonna go down a little more. Put some negative camber. So there's a wide body. No wide body. This side looks funny. I like it. I like it a lot. The front end definitely needs to go down a little more, at least compared to the back. Yeah, that looks good. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not saying a lot, but just kind of wanted to throw these on and show you guys. Probably take that before it falls. Man, it's been a while. Yeah, let me get the wing on there too. I think that'll help. Hang on. Okay, got the wing on. It's for a test fit. Yeah, the wing definitely helps. Kind of puts the back into perspective. I'm not gonna lie, never liked the wingless look, but it kind of worked with this setup. Like if that was on, doesn't look too bad, but I prefer the wing. Man, this is looking so good. The front is weak, but as you guys know, I have that front lip. It's gonna go on there. Yeah, there she is, guys. That side looks so funny. Still lots of work to do. But she's finally getting somewhere. Man. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed that. This is a very short video. Just really wanted to get back on YouTube, get back to the videos. It's been a really rough winter for us here. Where I live, we usually don't get bad winters, but this year was pretty bad, and it was just cold, and even in the garage it was in like the mid-30s or so, which for me, that just no motivation to work in that kind of weather. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. The rest of this week I'm going to actually be bolting everything on, working on panel gaps on the car, make sure everything matches well, like the original pieces of the body before I install the kit, because you install a kit on a body that the panel gaps are that big, it's gonna look like crap. So I gotta align all the body panels, make sure those are all 100%. Then I gotta install the kit, make sure that's all 100%. I need some rib nuts. I haven't purchased any of those, so for now, until I'm gonna order them right now tonight after doing this, and then whenever I get those, I can start. But if I don't get them soon, I'll just drill small holes, maybe 2 holes in each panel, and just to get them on in the area, and just put some self-tappers in there for now. I mean, other than that, I don't know what to say. Hope you guys liked it. Car runs and drives now. I gotta get those taillights restored, and you guys will see what I mean by that. This is gonna be a video just on that, and I do have. Hold on. I do have 93 style tails, so it's gonna be fun. It's gonna look really good with those on there. And I have a center panel, like the one with the lights and everything. I don't have a lock, but I don't really care if it needs a lock anymore. I'm probably gonna block that off. So yeah, that'll be a video on its own, restoring the taillights, putting them on, making sure they all work as needed. So the videos will start coming again. Again, sorry, it's just been a rough winter. I mean, what are you gonna do, right? Mother Nature wasn't too excited this year. Other than that, the Jetta's on the other side of this camera, which you guys can't see right now. That also has a lot of new stuff. Again, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. Right here. That's getting a lot of goodies. It's getting, the coilovers are here, wheels are here, front suspension like bushings. I went with some Prothane bushings, but that's not what this video is about. So this video is about the MR2. If you guys want to see more, definitely consider subscribing. I'm not the most entertaining YouTuber ever out there, but I try, I do what I can. As I get better at this, obviously the videos will get more entertaining. I know I've just filmed with an iPhone and the wide angle lens that's on it, but down the road I'll get an actual vlogging camera or something. But for now, this works for me. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like it, let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you do. I appreciate any advice, any comments, tips, tricks, whatever you guys want, have. Again, consider subscribing, comment, like, share. Follow me on IG right here. I do a lot of updates on there, more definitely than YouTube, just because that's a lot easier. You take a picture and you post it. But I'm going to do a lot more YouTube. The videos are going to start coming out again on this car and the Jetta. Mini's gone. I'm sorry for those that were actually interested in that car. It didn't seem like many of you, but for those that were, Mini's gone. After that was gone, I got a Honda Ridgeline, the truck. That's also gone now. Now I'm just down to the MR2 and the Jetta. It's like my 2 project cars, and I'm borrowing a car from someone to use as a daily driver for right now until I get the Jetta on the road. Then I'm just going to daily the Jetta for now, or maybe if I find something else for cheap, a good deal or something, maybe I'll buy that. Who knows? You know, I'm looking at stuff. I'm talking to people, so we'll see about that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Sorry for the short, weird video. Sorry for my rambling. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update on the wheels, the tires, the wide body, so you guys can see how it's look. I finally was able to drive it in the road so you guys can get like a better view of it. Thanks for watching, man. I'll see you guys in the next one.